Hello people, welcome back to this channel. Today I will like to show you the way how you can get the UV detector on your iPhone. So this is the common features of the iPhone that you can use. So the iPhone will be able to measure the UV index around you, so you can like aware how high the UV on the day. So you just need to open the settings, and then you just need to go scrolling down until you get the wallpaper here. Just tap it, and then there will be a shown the current wallpaper that you use. And let's just add the UV index detector into the lock screen. Just go with this customize into the lock screen sections, and now you just need to go click into this add widget, and there will be like the symbols, the half circles with the sun symbols and number. This is the UV index detector, so you just need to tap it. And now you just need to go click done, and you will got those UV detector right away into your lock screen. So now you can measure and you can know the level of UV surrounds you. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy it. Let's meet again into other tutorial.